Happy birthday to you, Bob. Bye. Bye. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha! We love you, Daddy. We want to have a message for Papa.
Bye, Papa. I love you. Happy birthday, and I love you the most.
Love you, Daddy. You are the best Daddy and my shopping partner. You guys have any message for Daddy? Ash, you want to say something for Daddy? Shopping holic.
Happy birthday, Uncle Bob. I hope you have a great day and the year ahead is full of many blessings. God bless you.
Hi, happy birthday, Bob. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bob. Happy birthday to you. Ipian cham kalom pui che a. Inu pui fanao de tan pa chita kalau ni je lang je. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bob. Happy birthday to you. A surprise tour kan thuk ruwa karom chau o abi chauka khanda kan ti deramo I thil soilok tur kan nei kan ti ta iPhone 12 donga kan present amo iPhone 12 soiring chi pon lo local dona choi nakina karom hmang chau phone chumo chan birthday rang wish te zong zong kha kan nom lo to mam birthday
Bob's birthday.
Louis
Today.
zong zong chunga kan lome nia kan hong to kan set up sakmi ka kan la shilawa e 12 fan hi o van nei le mai kan pan kan le sakmi local